All right, it's time to solve some rational equations. Now, in this example, we have a fraction equals a fraction. So there's really actually a couple ways of going about solving this one. I think the easiest way to go about it is cross multiplication. So I'm going to take x and multiply it to x plus 6. So I'll have x parentheses x plus 6. And then I will have 8 times the x plus 3 on the other side of the equal sign. So there we go. All right. There are other ways of solving this one. We're going to go through this method right now. So now at this point, I'm going to distribute my x into the x plus 6, and I'll have x squared plus 6x equals, and then I'll have the 8 distributed in, so I'll have 8x plus 24. Now I'm dealing with a quadratic, so I need to set it equal to 0 and see if I can either factor or use quadratic formula. Fingers crossed, we can factor this bad boy. All right, so I'm going to have x squared minus 2x minus 24 equals 0. Then I'm going to figure out what multiplies to negative 24 and adds to negative 2. Well, that'd be negative 6 and positive 4. So I'll have x minus 6, that's a terrible 6. There we go. And x plus 4 equals 0. I'll set each factor equal to 0. So I'm going to have x minus 6 equals 0. So I'll get x equals 6. And I'll have x plus 4 equals 0. And I'll get x equals negative 4. Now, we do need to check to make sure that we don't have an extraneous solution here in this particular problem. So if I plug back into my original equation, if I plug 6 in, do I get 0 in my denominator for either side of that equation? Nope. So that one's good, right? I'd get 9 and I'd get 12. If I plug negative 4 in, I'm going to get negative 1. I'm going to get positive 2. So both of those, check out, both solutions are good to go, all right? If I had gotten a 0 in my denominator, that would be an extraneous solution. I'd have to omit that from my final answer. That was good stuff right there. You do have the option, just like when you have two fractions on one side equals another one, you can multiply through by your least common denominator if you'd like. But really, if you got two fractions equal to each other, cross multiplication, in my opinion, is the way to go. That's what I'm talking about. You guys have a great day.